everyone, my name is Anaisha Goel. Today I am going to tell you interesting facts about space tech. I will be covering the following agenda in today's video. History of airplane, different parts of an airplane and their uses, airplane instruments and their uses, fuel used in airplane, and last but not the least, need for airspace learning in India. First, I am going to talk about history of airplane. On December 17, 1903, Alvare and Wilbur Wright, the Wright brothers, created the first motor-powered airplane. The airplane was in air for 12 seconds and traveled 120 feet. January 1st, 1917, Hugo Juncker created the first metal airplane. The airplane name was the Junker J4, and it was made up of lightweight aluminium called duramin. On January 1st, 1937, Frank Quinto enhanced one of his designed jet engine airplane. The engine had a fan, compressor, combustor, turbine, and a nozzle. The Hinkel HE-178 was the first to fly with the new jet engine and allow much more faster and much more efficient flight. On July 27, 1949, the first commercial airplane took place. Now I am going to talk about parts of airplane. Aileron. The ailerons are located at the rear of the wing. Typically, one on each side. They work opposite to each other, meaning when one is raised, the other one is lowered. Their job is to increase lift on one wing while reducing the lift on the other. They do this to roll the aircraft sideways, causing the aircraft to turn. Cockpit. The cockpit is where pilots sit, also referred as a flight deck. It contains all the flight controls to control various systems. Elevator. The elevator helps to elevate the aircraft, and it is located on the tail of the aircraft and directs the nose upwards or downwards. Empennage. The word empennage stems from a French word empennage, meaning feather to an arrow. Empennage is the name given to the entire tail section of the airplane, including elevator, rudder, horizontal and vertical stabilizer. Engine. An airplane has at least one or as many as 8 engines. There are many different makes and models, but all perform the same basic function, that taking the air that is in front, accelerating it and pushing it out behind. Flap. The flaps are used for taking off and landing. Rudder. The rudder helps in the motion of left and right. Now I am going to talk about airplane instruments and their uses. Airspeed indicator. The airspeed indicator shows the pilot that how fast the airplane is going. This speed is always measured in knots. It is used to display the aircraft speed in relation to the surrounding air. It can be calculated by measuring the difference in air pressure. Altitude indicator. It is used to display the aircraft altitude in relation to the horizon. It is also known as the artificial horizon. It also shows if the wings are leveled or not, and if the aircraft should pitch up or down. Altimeter. The altimeter is also known as the altitude meter. It is used to show how high or low the aircraft is from the sea level. It is always measured in feet. The air pressure is increasing or decreasing while the aircraft ascend or descend. Turn indicator. It is used to show the direction of turn taking place and the rate of turn using the gyroscope. It is measured in degrees per minute. Heading indicator. It is also known as a directional gyro or gyro compass. It is used to show the direction where the aircraft is heading or moving with respect to Earth's magnetic field. Vertical speed indicator. This indicator is used to measure the rate of climb or rate of descent, which which is the speed while going up or down. Now I'm going to talk about fuel use in airplane. Aviation kerosene is used in aircraft instead of petrol because of the following characteristics: low freezing point, highly flammable, low viscosity, affordable, and safe. Last but not the least, need for airspace learning in India. The aviation and space industries are growing at a massive pace. There are bound to be numerous job opportunities for qualified airspace engineers. India is the third largest in civil aviation. That is the reason aircraft manufacturing companies like Airbus and Boeing are rely for their startups in India. There are only few schools in India having club of airspace. That is why there is a need of airspace learning to meet the demands of rapidly growing space industries in India. Thank you. I hope you like my video.